Hi everybody, I'm Anthony. I'm an assistant professor of universal design here at HEOA. I want to apologize that I can't be there today in person. I'm actually in Geneva right now doing a presentation for the United Nations International Telecommunications Union. But thank you so much for this opportunity, and thank you especially to our rector, Kurt Rice, for being here today. So this is my 4-minute Foursquare Grand Prix presentation, and it's titled, Making the Web a Better Place. I believe in two things, technology and equality. When we design technology to be usable by the broadest possible population, it enables us to achieve equality in every aspect of life. The United Nations calls this universal design. Universal design is one of those ideas that is very easy to describe, but difficult to put into practice. It's kind of like fast food. What you see on the menu isn't necessarily what you get. Let's start with an easy example. A straw. What does it do? It helps move liquid into your mouth via suction. So one way we can universally design a straw is to make it adjustable so that you can reach it from any angle. Now let's consider something a little bit more complex. How do we universally design the web? I've spent every day for the past 5 years thinking about this. So I usually lie wide awake at 3 o'clock in the morning thinking about the barriers that people experience using the web. If I have dyslexia and I want to read a blog post, but the blogger chose to write that post using a font that's difficult for me to read, then I don't have access to that blog post on an equal basis with others. Or what if I were deaf? If NRK posts a video online that doesn't include captions at the bottom of the screen, then I don't have access to that video on an equal basis with others. Or here's an even more interesting example. How do we make sexual health information usable for a 15-year-old transgender woman with an intellectual disability? In the past 2 decades, computer scientists and software engineers have come up with many exciting solutions aimed at ensuring that everyone can use the web. However, globally, there's still a digital divide that separates those that can use the web from those that cannot. What we've missed is the relationship between technology and society. We still don't know exactly how we can universally design the web. That's because the target is constantly moving and constantly being influenced by new and unexpected changes. But that's what makes universal design fascinating. My research has examined how we can achieve universal design in practice. In order to grasp the complexity of this, I collected qualitative data, including policy documents and interviews with people from across the globe, including disability rights activists, businesses, and government agencies. I asked these universal design experts about their perspectives, about their work, and about how we can translate the principles of universal design into action. My data revealed 3 themes. First, people matter. Ultimately, achieving universal design is about changing the way people think and act. Second, relationships matter. Who we know can shape how we grow as a society. And third, time matters. It takes time to realize the goal of universal design. Of course, there's more to it than that, but that'll have to wait until later. So when I say that I believe in technology and equality, I don't mean that I believe in miracles. I mean that over time, our efforts here in Norway, in collaboration with our partners internationally, can help billions of people participate in society.